is it that you're really enjoying this format? Because we've seen you doing singing reality shows. I mean, being part of singing.
That's when I judge the shows, yeah.
Yes.
No, definitely. This is not something I have done before. This is the first time that I'm doing it. There's a lot more work in this because जब मैं जज होके बैठती हूँ तो मैं उस एक्ट को जज कर रही हूँ, उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे पूरे शो को इन अ सेंस काइंड ऑफ यू आर होल्डिंग इट टुगेदर कि यू नो अभी इनको इनसे पूछो, ये ज़्यादा और थोड़ा सा काम करो और जो उतने खुल के नहीं आ रहे उनको थोड़ा आगे लो. सो इट्स अ बैलेंसिंग एक्ट और इट्स नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड. तो ये बहुत मतलब व्हेन यू आर जजिंग एंड इट्स नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड, वो आप देख रहे हो, आपको जो लगा देख के वो आप बोल रहे हो. दैट्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस अनस्क्रिप्टेड. So it is a challenge, but I'm enjoying this challenge.
So tell me if you could go back a little in time and tell us, what made you pick up reality shows when you first started?
Well, the first when I did it, it was after Sarfarosh and Hum Saath Saath Hai. And everybody thought I had lost the plot because, koi television was not really the thing to do. Ye TV kyun kar rahe? That's how it was spoken about. But it was a great show. I loved the concept of that show. And I thought it was a fantastic paycheck. In fact, it was the best thing I did क्योंकि उसके बाद में किसी को वैसा paycheck नहीं मिला. Because, and it was such an amazing show. I remember I had just started, I was dating Goldie at that time और Goldie ने मुझसे कहा था कि यार ये है future. This is really going to blow up. Television is going to become big in. And I said, you know what? He was always a visionary. In the sense, he's always thought of future. Then we have to tell Goldie ki he's always ahead of time. So I listened to him and I said, let me do it. And I think it was the best thing I did because वो जो बच्चे मुझे उस टाइम पे देखते थे, वो 10, 12, 15, 20 साल के बाद जब बड़े हो गए हैं, आज भी वो याद रखते हैं. तो as a celebrity, your life is as long as your fans remember you. And I just got a great lease of life. At that time, लोग कहते थे कि टीवी कर रही है. But it just gave me an amazing lease of life, which I didn't think that's what would happen, but it did happen.
So the paycheck was more than what you get in movies? Was it like that?
Let's just put it that way, that it was very good.
So the reason why you probably picked up an Indian Idol or an acting related show which you did, reality show or a dance related show, is it because you have an affinity towards these things?
No, so for me, Kya Masti Kya Dhoom, I enjoyed it. I did a talent show. I mean, what happens when you see a talent show is that you're sitting there and you're watching amazing talent. तो वो काम तो लगता ही नहीं है because you're being entertained when you're watching them. One is that. Secondly, when I had my child, तो ये जो shows थे ना, this was closest in my line of work to coming to office hours. क्योंकि अगर आप फिल्में करो, suddenly outdoors हैं, characters हैं, so it's not. बट यहाँ पे कैसे आप जब रियलिटी शो, वो दिन या 2 दिन आप बहुत लंबे आस करो, लेकिन हफ्ते में आप वो 1 या 2 दिन ही काम करते हो. तो विद अ चाइल्ड दैट वाज अ ग्रेट बैलेंस फॉर मी. सो देन आई कंटिन्यूड डूइंग ओनली दैट. आई डिडंट डू फिक्शन वर्क because my child was growing up and I really wanted to be there for him. So that was the reason why I took these shows on. I always like saying it कि these shows came closest to like office hours कि ये इतने घंटे काम करके वापस घर गए, वो वाला जोन था.